Hello students, I hope you are fine, enjoying life. Let's start with the next lecture, that is lecture number 7, in motion. We have done a few numericals on the three equations of motion. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and the third equation was v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now we have to proceed forward with some more complex numericals where you will have to find two quantities using two equations and some other questions involving conversion of units. Now question number 1 for today: a body moving at 5 meters per second attains a velocity of 20 meters per second in 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, a body moving at 5 meters per second attains a velocity of 20 meters per second in 20 seconds. Calculate the acceleration. Calculate the acceleration. And number 2, distance moved by the body. Distance moved by the body. Okay. Now for the acceleration, now what is given to you? U is given to you the initial velocity 5 meters per second, final velocity V is 20 meters per second, time is 20 seconds. You have to calculate acceleration in case 1. So you have U, V, T, and you want to find out A. So the equation used will be V is equal to U plus AT, the first equation of motion. Is that clear? So let's do the first part first. V is equal to U plus AT. V is 20 is equal to U 5 plus A into 20. 20 minus 5 is equal to 20A. 15 upon 20 is equal to A, that comes out to be 3 by 4. So A is equal to 3 by 4 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. That is the acceleration. So you have used the first equation, you have calculated the first part. Second part of the question demands distance. Now you have U, V, A. You have U, V, you have calculated A and you want to calculate the distance. So you can use the third equation for the distance. Or you have the time T. You have the time T. You have U. You have A. You have to calculate S. You can use the second equation also. You can use any of the two equations to calculate the distance. Because you have A, you have U, you have V, you have T. Is that clear? So supposing I am using third equation of motion. Using third equation of motion. V square is equal to U square plus 2as. What is V? 20. 20 का square is equal to U का square, 5 का square plus 2 into acceleration is 3 by 4 into distance S. 400 minus 25 is equal to 3 by 2S. 375 into 2 upon 3 is equal to S. Am I right? 375 into 2 upon 3, that is 750 by 3 is equal to S, or S is equal to 250 meters. S is equal to 250 meters. So you have to calculate two quantities. You cannot calculate two quantities from a single equation. So you will have to use the other equation also to calculate the second quantity. Acceleration you have calculated from equation 1, while The other thing is you have to calculate the distance. For distance you can use the equation 2 or equation 3 because everything else is given to you. I hope you understand this. Moving on to the next question. Please copy down the question and then try to do it yourselves. If you don't understand, you can see the video again. Next question is, a body starting from rest acquires a velocity of 9 km/h after covering a distance of 400 meters. Calculate number 1 acceleration and number 2 time taken. Calculate number 1 acceleration and number 2 time taken. Now what is given to you? Body starts from rest, u is 0, attains a velocity of 9 km/h. 9 km is 9 into 5 by 18. When you convert km/h into meter per second, why? Because you require the quantities in SI units. By 2 is equal to 2.5 meter per second is the velocity, final velocity. Distance given S is 400 meters. You have to calculate A. V is given to you, U is given in meter per second, U is 0 meter per second, V is 25 meter per second, distance is 400 meters. And now what about the acceleration? Acceleration you have to calculate. So you have to search for a relation between V, U, A and S. So the equation used will be third equation of motion. Third equation of motion says V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. What is V? 2.5. 2.5 का whole square is equal to 0 का square plus 2 into A into 400. 2.5 का square is equal to U square plus 2AS. 2 into A into distance 400. What does it come out to be? 6.25 is the square of 2.5 is equal to 0 plus 800A. So what is A? 6.25 divided by 800 meter per second square is the acceleration. What is the acceleration? 6.25, 2.5 का square है 6.25 divided by 800 is equal to A in meter per second square. Is that clear? Now you have to calculate the time taken. For time taken, U is given to you, V is given to you, A you have calculated. U आपको given है, V आपको given है, A आपने calculate किया, T निकालना है. So what will be the relationship between V, U, A and T? The first equation. Now V is equal to U plus AT. What is V for you given to you? 2.5 meter per second. 2.5 is equal to U 0 है plus A is 6.25 upon 800 into T. 6.25 upon 800 into T. So 2.5 will be equal to 6.25 upon 800 into T. So T will be equal to 2.5 into 800 upon 6.25. ठीक है, 800 into 2.5 is 2000 upon 6.25 is equal to time. You can solve it. This will be in seconds. You can solve it. इसके 2 points ऊपर ले जाइए, 100 ऊपर ले जाके time solve हो जाएगा. I hope it is clear. कोई भी quantities में अगर किसी भी equations को relate करके if you have to calculate two different quantities, First calculate one quantity using one equation, and then you will have a large number of options. Then you can use the other two equations, any of the other two equations, to get the second quantity. It's very simple. Please copy down the question. Please do the questions from the assignment booklet. Do the questions from the assignment booklet. Do the NCERT questions. If you have any problems in NCERT, in text or back questions, please send me the queries or the doubts through WhatsApp so that they can be cleared in the class on Saturday. Is that clear? So this is because we are nearing the end of the chapter. In the next class, I'll just be doing extra questions, some more extra questions, including your doubts. आपके doubts भी अगली क्लास में सारे चैप्टर के doubts कोई भी होंगे आप ले लेना, because I'll be revising the chapter again, the numerical part of the chapters again. Is that clear? So that is question number 2. Moving on to the next question of the same type. A body moving at 10 meters per second accelerates uniformly at 5 meters per second square for 15 seconds. Accelerates uniformly at 5 meters per second square for 15 seconds. Calculate number 1 distance moved, and number 2 final velocity after 15 seconds. So what you have to calculate? You have to calculate s, the distance, और फिर आपने then secondly you have to calculate the final velocity v of the body. So first of all we'll calculate the distance and then the final velocity. Now what is given to you? Body is moving at 10 meters. So u is 10 meters per second, accelerates. So acceleration is 5 meters per second square and time is 15 seconds. So what you have to calculate? Distance you have to calculate. Definitely you will be using which equation, बच्चे? U, A, T and S is given to you. Which equation will you be using? S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Then you will put in the values of all other quantities other than distance to calculate the distance. So see, we will be using this equation. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is equal to UT 10 into T 15 plus half into A 5 into T का square 15 का square. U is 10, T is 15, half A is 5, T is 15 का square, T square. So distance moved will be 150 plus half into 5 into 225. 15 into 15 is 225. So that comes out to be equal to 2.5. 2.5. 2.5 into 225 plus 150. 150 plus 25 by 10 into 225. 5 twos are, ये पॉइंट हट जाएगा, 5 twos are, ये आ जाएगा आपका 5 से जाएगा 45 सर 45, 45 से जाएगा ये by 2, 45 into 25 by 2, so that is equal to 150 plus 45 into 25. 1125. 1125 by 2, that is equal to 150 plus 1125 by 2, 562.5 is equal to 712.5 meters. 150 plus 1, 562.5 is 712.5 meters. Please check the calculations. I may be wrong somewhere. Please check the mathematical calculations. So 712.5 is the distance moved. So we have arrived at, we have done the first part of the question, distance. Now you want to calculate V. What is V? The final velocity. For the final velocity, U is given to you, A is given to you, T is given to you. You want to calculate V. So you can use the first equation. V is equal to U plus AT. Otherwise, S is given to you, A is given to you, U is given to you. You can use the third equation also. एक बार एक quantity निकालने के बाद आप कोई भी equation use कर सकते हैं apart from this second equation. So V is equal to U. This is the second part. U plus AT. What is V here? V आपने निकालना है. What is U? 10 plus what is acceleration? 5 into what is time? 15. So V is equal to 10 plus 75 is equal to 85 meter per second. V is equal to 85 meter per second. That is the answer. So that is how to solve the question. That is how to solve the numerical problem here. Is that clear? So these are the questions in which two different quantities are required. Okay? So please copy down the question only and then try to solve it in your copy. If you are unable to solve it, send the problem to me through WhatsApp. Okay? To the next question. A body moving at 54 km per hour acquires a velocity of 36 km per hour after covering a distance of 800 meters. Calculate the acceleration and the time taken. First of all, we'll have to calculate the acceleration and then the time taken. Now this body was initially moving at 54 km per hour. What does this mean? The initial velocity U is 54, final velocity V is 36. That means the speed of the body is decreasing. So that means the acceleration will come out to be negative. Acceleration यहाँ पे negative आएगी. Why negative मेरे बच्चे? Because with time the velocity of the body is decreasing. So that means it is retardation. Let us see if it comes out to be negative or not. But you have to change kilometer per hour into meter per second. Kilometer per hour into meter per second. So what is U given to you? U is equal to 54 kilometer per hour is equal to 54 into 5 by 18. 18 3s are 15 meter per second. What is V? 36 kilometer per hour, that is equal to 36 into 5 by 18. 18 2s are 10 meter per second. So the first funda is you have to convert the velocities into meter per second because you want the answers in SI units. So V is 36 km per hour, change it into meter per second. U is given to you, V is given to you. Now you got anything else? Distance S is given to you, that is 800 meters. You have to calculate A. Now tell me which equation will you be using? U is given to you, V is given to you, A you have to calculate, S is given to you. You will definitely use the equation V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So v square is equal to u square plus 2as. 10 square is equal to u, what was this? 15 का square plus 2 into a into 800. 10 का square बेटा 100 minus 225 is equal to 1600a. So what does it come out to be? 125, इसको माइनस करेंगे with a minus sign. Minus 125 is equal to 1600a. So a is equal to minus 125 upon 1600. 25 5s are, 25 6s are, 4s are. So a is equal to minus 5 by 64 meter per second square. A is equal to minus 5 by 64. Minus sign indicates that the acceleration is negative. That means the velocity of the body is decreasing with time. So that is the velocity of the body, the acceleration of the body is negative. That means it is retarding. Ultimately ये body slow करते करते rest में आ जाएगी. That is why this acceleration is negative. Negative acceleration is called deceleration or retardation. Is that clear? Now moving on to the second part of the question, time taken. So you have to calculate time also. Whatever is given to you can use any of the other two equations. V is given to you, U is given to you, A you have calculated, you can calculate the time. V is given, V आपके पास है, U आपके पास है, A आपके पास है, T निकाल सकते हैं. Which equation you will be using? V is equal to U plus AT, the simpler one. So this will be V is equal to U plus AT. So what is V here beta? 10 is equal to U 15 plus acceleration is minus 5 by 64 into T. Plus into minus minus हो जाएगा. 10 is equal to 15 minus 5 by 64 T. इसको इधर ले आइए. 10 minus 15 is equal to minus 5 by 64 T. Minus 5 is equal to minus 5 by 64 T. 5 से 5 कट जाएगा, माइनस से माइनस कट जाएगा. So T 64 इधर आ जाएगा. 64 is equal to T. Thus the answer is T is equal to 64 seconds. T is equal to 64 seconds is the answer to this question. I hope it is very clear to you. If the units are given in kilometer per hour, change them into meter per second by multiplying by 5 by 18. Then solve one of the properties using one equation, and to calculate the second quantity, you will have two options. You can use any of the other two equations to calculate the second property. Definitely there will be two options. एक से निकाल लो या दूसरे से निकाल लो. That will be simple. But for that you have to remember this. I hope you might have revised the derivations of the equations of motion. They are very important. You are going to get it in your exams. So just copy down the things, the derivations, and then practice them in your copy. So keep on making notes along with this. Okay, see the assignments, the notes will be there also. वहाँ से पढ़िए, ये वाले notes को accumulate करिए, notebook बनाइए और उसके साथ करिए, because you have lots and lots of time at home now. Is that clear? Moving on to the next part. And secondly, you will be having a test next week. That will be a MCQ test, but that will not be as simple as the MCQ ones कि एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन होगा टिक मार्क करनी. No, I'll be giving you numericals or theory part from this chapter, and then you'll have to solve the question in your rough work and then tick mark it. The answers will be given there, then you will tick them up. Okay, next is please bring the NCERT questions to me. Send the questions so that your problems can be solved. Now to the next question. A body moving at a body moving at 27 km per hour attains a velocity of 36 km per hour after covering a distance of 2 kilometers. Calculate number 1 acceleration and number 2 time taken. Now the problem with this question is, here the velocities are given in kilometer per hour, so you'll have to convert them into meter per second, and secondly the distance is given in kilometers. You'll have to convert the distance in kilometers into meters. How do you convert kilometer into meter? By multiplying by 1000. So distance has to be converted into SI unit, the velocities have to be converted in SI units. Now see what is given to you. Initial velocity is 27 km per hour. 27 km per hour you have to convert into meter per second into 5 by 18. 9 2s are 9 3s are, that is equal to 7.5 meter per second. V is 36 km per hour. 36 into 5 by 18. 18 2s are 10 meter per second. You have to, now distance given is 2 kilometers. 2 kilometer is 2000 meters. A you have to calculate. U is given to be 7.5 meter per second. V is given to you as 10 meter per second. Distance S is given to you 2000 meters, and acceleration you have to calculate. Now see which equation you will be using. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, because this is the third one. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Now what is V square? 10 का square is equal to U square 7.5 का whole square plus 2 into A you are to calculate into distance 2000. Am I right? V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So 100 is equal to 7.5 into 7.5. 7.5 into 7.5 plus 4000 A. What is 7.5 by 7.5? So 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35 and 2 37, 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49 and 3 53. 5 12 1 7 57.25. 100 is equal to 57.25 plus 4000 A. So this comes out to be 100 minus 57.25 is equal to 4000 A. So what will be A equal to 42.75 minus करके आएगा, divided by 4000 meter per second square. That will be the acceleration. You can solve it further also, or you can leave it here only, no marks will be deducted. Second thing was time taken. For time you have V, you have U, you have A also, and T. You can use the first equation for time. Even you can use the second equation, no problem. एक इक्वेशन से आपने निकाला, दूसरी क्वांटिटी के लिए आप कोई भी दूसरी इक्वेशन यूज कर सकते हैं. But here I am using V is equal to U plus AT. What is V here? 10. What is U here? 7.5 plus A. 42.75 by 4000 into T. 10 minus 7.5 is equal to 42.75 upon 4000 T. ये 2.5 आ जाएगा into 4000 upon 42.75 seconds. You can solve it easily at home. तो ये आपके पास T आ जाएगा, that will be in seconds. So that is how to solve these numericals. We have done a large number of numericals on the 3 equations of motions. In this chapter, we are left only with a few numericals from the NCERT and from the booklet. Please send me your doubts till tomorrow. कल तक अपने डाउट्स भेज दीजिए प्लीज, सो दैट अगली क्लास में आपके डाउट्स लिए जाए. नेक्स्ट क्लास विल नॉट बी अवेलेबल टू यू इन पब्लिक. नेक्स्ट क्लास विल बी थ्रू द ऐप. आई होप यू माइट हैव डाउनलोडेड द ऐप. प्लीज डाउनलोड द ऐप. द SMS for which has been sent to you. The link for the app has been sent to you through the SMS. Please download the app. If you have any problem in downloading the app or any other problem or any other query about the app, you can call us. Is that clear? Please download the app, because no video from now onwards will be available public or will be available on YouTube publicly. Every video will reach you through the app. So download the app so that your confirmation is made here. Okay? Thank you very much.